146. Praise the Lord, O my soul. I will praise the Lord. All my life I will sing praises to my God as long as I live. Do not put your trust in princes, in mortal men who cannot save. When their spirits depart, they return to the ground, and that very day their plans came to nothing. Blessed is he whose help is the God of Jacob, and whose hope is in the Lord his God, the maker of heaven and earth, the sea and everything in them, the Lord who remains faithful forever. He upholds the cause of the oppressed and gives food to the hungry. The Lord sets the prisoners free. The Lord gives sight to the blind. The Lord lifts those who are bowed down, and the Lord loves the righteous. The Lord watches over the alien and sustains the fatherless and the widow, but frustrates the way of the wicked. The Lord reigns forever, your God, O Zion, for all generations. Praise the Lord.